Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Volume Part 2 Worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on calculating the volume of selected 3D objects. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. On the last slide there is a link, and if you go to that link, press on the link, it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this video on, or this particular slide on, for a short while, but as always you can pause the video for as long as you like on any particular slide. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave this slide on again for a short while, but you can pause it for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. And as always, pause this slide for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, where you'll see the link and you can click on it if you need any help.